Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by exporting the project XML from Alight Motion and gathering every media file the XML references. Once done, place the XML and the folder of assets together so links are relative. This prevents broken paths when importing. Make sure file names and extensions match exactly, because Alight Motion resolves assets by name and path. Also confirm your XML version matches the app version to avoid incompatibilities. Now that your XML and assets are organized, you're ready to prepare the import package. Next, create a shareable package by zipping the XML plus its asset folders while preserving the folder structure. Relative paths must stay intact. Once zipped, upload to a cloud service or transfer directly to the recipient device. If the recipient uses Android, they can extract to internal storage. On iOS, use the Files app to place files where Alight Motion can access them. Before sending, test the package locally by extracting and re-importing to catch missing files or path errors, which are the most common problems. Finally, import the XML into Alight Motion by choosing Import Project and selecting the XML file. The app will attempt to resolve media paths. If some assets fail to load, make sure the extracted asset folder sits where Alight Motion can read it and relink any missing files manually. If problems persist, check for case-sensitive file name mismatches, incorrect relative paths, or XML version incompatibilities. Updating the app or converting paths to an expected structure usually fixes issues. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.